Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we're diving into the world of Bitcoin, or test as it's known in the trading world. We'll be combing through the news and looking at the charts, analyzing trends and other factors to see where Bitcoin may be heading. Let's start with the current events and news that could be influencing Bitcoin's price. As we can see from Google search results, recent news has been mixed, with some headlines suggesting a potential crash and others indicating a possible rally. The main topic of discussion revolves around the recent U.S. jobs report, which caused Bitcoin's price to pump, then dump. Some analysts believe a smaller rate cut might signal greater concern about the economy, which could cause Bitcoin to fall to $50,000. Meanwhile, others believe a smaller cut could be more favorable for risk assets like Bitcoin and could push prices higher. There's also been talk about September being a historically weak month for Bitcoin, which may add to the overall uncertainty. Now, let's take a look at the charts and see if the recent news is reflected in the price action. If we look at the daily chart, we can see a clear downtrend, with prices falling from around $55,000 over the past month. This downtrend is further reinforced by the fact that Bitcoin has closed below its 200-day moving average, a key indicator for long-term trends. Now, let's zoom in on the recent price action and see if we can spot any potential support or resistance levels. The current support level appears to be around $52,000, as Bitcoin bounced off this level several times over the past few weeks. The resistance level, on the other hand, seems to be around $55,000, as Bitcoin has failed to break above this level multiple times. The current price of Bitcoin is just below $54,000, which means it's hovering between these key support and resistance levels. Now, let's switch to the hourly chart to get a closer look at the short-term trends and volatility. The hourly chart shows a lot of volatility, with Bitcoin making rapid movements up and down. We can see that the price has been bouncing between support and resistance levels more frequently in the hourly time frame. This suggests that the short-term outlook for Bitcoin is still very uncertain, and we could see further price swings in either direction. Let's narrow down on a specific range of candles to get a better understanding of the most recent price action. If we look at the past 24 hours on the hourly chart, we can see that Bitcoin has been trading in a range between $53,000 and $55,000. This suggests that the price may be consolidating around these levels, and a breakout in either direction could be imminent. Now, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to get a sense of the most recent price movements and the current market sentiment. The 15-minute chart shows a lot of short-term fluctuations as traders are constantly buying and selling Bitcoin. The current price action suggests that the market is indecisive, with buyers and sellers battling for control. Now, let's analyze some recent candles to see if we can identify any patterns that might give us an indication of where the price might be heading next. For example, we can see that a few large green candles have pushed the price higher in the past hour, indicating strong buying pressure. However, this upward momentum was quickly reversed, as the price dropped back down and closed below the previous candle's close, indicating a potential reversal of the upward trend. This is a clear example of how Bitcoin's price can fluctuate quickly on short time frames, making it difficult to predict the direction of the market with certainty. In conclusion, Bitcoin's price is currently in a state of flux. The recent news about the U.S. jobs report and the upcoming rate cuts has created a lot of uncertainty in the market. The charts show a clear downtrend on the daily time frame, with prices falling from around $55,000 over the past month. However, there is also some evidence of short-term buying pressure on the hourly and 15-minute charts, which could indicate a potential reversal. The key support level to watch is around $52,000, while the resistance level appears to be around $55,000. If Bitcoin breaks above the $55,000 resistance level, it could signal a bullish reversal and a potential rally to new highs. However, if it breaks below the $52,000 support level, it could signal a further bearish downtrend and a potential crash to lower levels. Ultimately, it's crucial to stay informed about the latest news and events that could affect Bitcoin's price and to use the charts to guide your trading decisions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Explain the Charts for more in-depth price analysis videos.